Yeah, my name is Ranjit Nevatia. I run product and marketing at Bitcasa. So Bitcasa is a leader in the personal cloud storage space. We have over 40 petabytes deployed across 140 countries and with millions of devices connecting every day. We are very different from some of the other pure personal cloud storage offerings, which pretty much grew up on the sync and share side of things. Instead, what we offer is a primary storage in the cloud, again, for personal purposes. And because we took that approach, it's very different from the sync and shares of the world, which were more about sharing your files as opposed to storing your files. We are much more storage-centric for all of your digital life experiences. And as a result, we had to do things very differently than the previous vintages out there. We took security became paramount, so every user in our storage gets a private key, which is what's used for encrypting their data before it gets stored in the cloud. We also enable very large files as well as infinite storage capability so that you can store as much of your personal files in the cloud. So that's our sort of the personal side of the business. Here what we are announcing, and we announced this a couple of months back, is opening up our platform, our backend to developers. So today, all these consumer services which we have built, we are opening it up for developers to take advantage of it. And the beauty of that is the developer gets to use our security offering, our file sync and share offering, our entire file system, which gives them this idea of using it as a file folder construct as opposed to typical block or object storage construct. So our platform sits on top of public cloud storage like Amazon, like Google, and we are lighting up a few other cloud storages out there, and it makes it all look like a file system. And from a developer point of view, they are able to focus on their application as opposed to worrying about building the infrastructure. Now, unlike some of the other offerings there in the industry, with Bitcasa, you end up owning your storage. So you're not having to surrender your customers' data to somebody else's storage APIs. And that's really the big differentiator in terms of using our file services, our security services, while branding it your particular brand. We took a very media-centric approach for our regular personal cloud storage. So our initial uptake which we are seeing is around a lot of media-centric developers, people who are capturing a lot of videos or photos, and they tend to have that stored through the Bitcasa API into the Bitcasa platform or the Bitcasa storage. However, the target market is pretty broad. We are targeting any app developer, whether they are mobile app developer or web app developer, or even inside the enterprise if you're developing an app. Every app needs storage. And to the extent that Bitcasa can offer Bitcasa's cloud storage as a service to these applications, they don't have to worry about building that infrastructure layer. So the target market is pretty horizontal. We have partners like SimpleECM, who is here at the show with us, who has built a workflow system on top of the Bitcasa storage, which integrates with their point of sale system where they scan invoices, OCR those invoices, and then store it securely into the Bitcasa platform without their end users having to know that behind the scenes it's the Bitcasa platform. It's pretty much looks like SimpleECM's own cloud storage platform. Bitcasa has two offerings. The cloud storage offering for the personal side is bitcasa.com, and for our platform offering, please go to www.bitcasa.com/platform.